Hi guys, welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a very easy pot holder. This one. We're using two different colors here, the light gray and the red color. This is the other side and this is the other side. It's so nice. I love this color right here. I really like it. And the other side is different. It's very easy to make and fast. And then for this project, I'm going to use a 4mm hook. And here we have two different colors for this project. And it's up to you which color you prefer. To begin in this project, make a slip knot. Make a chain of 26 to 6. 1, 2. So this is for our round 1. I have here a chain of 26 and 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook for our round 2. So let's count 1 and 2. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull 2 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops in the hook. That is our first single crochet. And now we are going to make 5 more single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, insert your hook right there in the same stitch, yarn over and pull through 2 loops in the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one, 6. So now 1 single crochet in the next stitch, just this one. 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And just make 1 single crochet per stitches until the second last stitch. So we will have a total of 23 single crochet or 24 single crochet until the second last stitch, okay? We have a total of 23 single crochet in this one right here. And then now we're going to make a 6 single crochet in the last stitch, just this one right here. Insert your hook, make 6 single crochet, 1 in the same stitch, insert your hook, 2 in the same stitch, insert your hook, 3, 4, 5, and last one, 6. Okay, and like in the other side, I'm going to make 1 single crochet per stitches until the first single crochet. Total of 23 single crochet here. Insert your hook, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet per stitches until the very first single crochet we have made in round 2. So go ahead, do that. And I'm gonna meet you once I'm here. And here I am in my last stitch. Insert your hook, make 1 single crochet, and here we reach our first single crochet. Insert your hook right there, and we're going to make a slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook. And this is how it look like for your round 2. We have here a total of 58 stitches. Round 3, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, which is this one right here, that one. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull and make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. So we're going to make 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around until the very first single crochet, and we should have a total of 58 single crochet, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done making it. And here we are in the first single crochet. Just make a slip stitch, but just to be mindful, this one is a previous slip stitch and this one is a chain 1, so we're not going to include this as our stitches. or single crochet, we're going to insert our hook in the very first single crochet, not in these ones here. Okay, so insert your hook right here, chain 1 and make a slip stitch. So this is not included as our stitch because this is our slip stitch. Okay, so we're not going to count that. So we have here a total of 58 stitches in total. So round 4 to 10, we are going to repeat round 3. Okay, so chain 1 single crochet in the very first stitch, make 1 single crochet, and here every time you make your first single crochet, put a marker in there to easily see where you are going to make a slip stitch in the end of the round. So let's finish round 4 first, and I show you later. I'm going to make 1 single crochet all the way around until the very first single crochet, just repeating round 3. And here we are in our last stitch of round 4. As I said, 2 stitches is not included here. This is our previous slip stitch and this is our chain 1. We're going to skip that and we're going to insert our hook where we put our marker, so which is in our first single crochet, just like in round 3. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull and make a slip stitch. Then it is easier to determine and you will not be confused which stitches you are going to make a slip stitch. Okay, and your work should be like this. So go ahead, repeat round 3 until round 10, and I'm gonna meet you once I am done. And here I am in my last round and making a slip stitch in the first single crochet, which is this one right here, this one. Yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook. As you can see, I made a marker in every first single crochet in every round, so I can easily count the rows also. So let's count. We started in round 4, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 rounds in total. Okay, and now I'm going to chain 1, pull tight, and this time I'm going to cut the yarn. And then I'm going to secure the remaining stitch. I will just insert my hook in the first single crochet here, put this in a half, yarn over and pull that, and I make a few knots. This is just how I make my stitches secured. It's up to you how you want to secure your remaining stitch. Then I'm going to insert my hook in the second stitch, yarn over with this yarn, pull, and then I'm going to make another few knots here, 1 and 2. And then I'm going to put this together, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, the other side, yarn over and pull. I will just hide this remaining yarn here to make it look cleaner. Okay, I think this is enough, and now I will just cut the rest of this yarn. It's time for you to take this markers out. Okay, and this is how it looked like for our round 1 to 10. And now this time we're going to change a color. Choose your next color. I choose this color, light gray with a nice colors in it. So this is how I connect my new color. Make a slip knot of the gray one or of your selected color. I'm going to insert my hook or in the first single crochet. I can see it, this is this one because I made a slip knot here, or anywhere you can start because it doesn't matter. I just prefer where I end my round. Then I insert my hook in the slip knot I made and pull, chain 1. Okay, now in the first single crochet in the same stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and pull, and make a single crochet. And now we're going to repeat round 3 again, making 1 single crochet per stitches all the way until we reach the first single crochet. And I'm going to do that for 2 rounds of gray color or of the new color. 2 rounds of the new color. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done making 2 rounds of this new color, repeating round 3. And here I am in my last single crochet, and now I'm going to make a slip stitch in the first single crochet, skipping 2 slip stitch here, the slip stitch and the chain 1, skipping slip stitch and a chain 1, and then first single crochet, insert your hook and make a slip stitch, yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook. Okay, chain 1, pull tight. Likewise, we're going to cut the yarn, and then always make secure your stitch. Now grab your red yarn again, or your first yarn color, and make a slip knot. And then I'm going to insert my hook where I end my last round, which is this one right here, in my first single crochet in my last round, just like in round 10. And insert your hook in the slip knot you made, and then make a chain of 1. And in the first single crochet, or in the same stitch, I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, making 1 single crochet, and repeating round 3, making 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around, and making sure we have 58 single crochet in total in each of this round, just like in the previous rounds. Repeating round 3. Okay, and then do this for a total of 4 rounds for the new red color. And once you're done, make a slip stitch in the first single crochet in each round. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done making it. And here I'm going to make a slip stitch in my last round in the first single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull, and make a slip stitch. And here, making sure we have the 4 rounds, it's easier to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we are going to fold this into diamond. Okay, open this one like this and like this, just into form into like a diamond like this. Put this one in front of you, insert your hook, pull. We're going this way, okay? And now we're going to make a slip stitch. So chain 1 and turn, slip stitch in the first stitch, just this one right here. Yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook. And then we're going to repeat that 8 more times, going here in the other corner. So 1, 2, and last one, 8. We are here in the corner. So I have here a total of 9 slip stitch. As you can see, we are in the corner here. And now I'm going to grab this and put this together like this. So I'm just going to connect these 2 pieces here. Skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch after that, I'm going to insert my hook. And in the other side, this one, in the back loop only in this side, and in the other side in the front loop only. Insert your hook, the one that is near to each other. Okay, like this. Yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook. And we're going to repeat that in the next stitch. Insert your hook in the back loop only, and then in the next side, insert your hook in the front loop, yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook. And I'm going to repeat that until in the end. And here I have one last stitch to go in this side and in the other side. Yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook. Now I'm going to insert my hook in the last stitch, this one. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops in the hook, like that. And your work should now look like this. And now make a chain of 13. 1, 3, 1, 2. I have here a chain of 13, and now I'm going to insert my hook in the stitch in the same corner. This one, insert your hook in the same stitch here, and then yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook, making a slip stitch. Chain 1, pull tight, and here this time we can cut the yarn. There, we're just going to make a few knots to secure the remaining stitch. I'm going to insert my hook in the same stitch, which is this one right here.